Hi everyone, and welcome to my free tool. This is an email subject line generator. It's a free tool that's going to unlock the secret to instantly 10x your open rates. Now what I'm going to do in this video real quick is I'm going to show you how to use it, what it does. It's quick and easy. It's a couple steps, and you're going to generate headlines. And these aren't going to be any old headlines. They're going to be very good headlines. I use a prompt that I put together in the style of one of the world's best copywriters, so that it's maximized for conversions and open rates. So what this is going to do, introducing the instant email funnel generator, your secret to crafting irresistible email subject lines. In email marketing, your subject line is everything. It's your one shot to grab the attention and get that all-important click. But crafting subject lines that convert can be tough even for the pros. That's where the instant email funnel generator comes in. And it's completely free. I'm going to show you how it works, why you need this tool. It's going to save you time. It's optimized for open rates like I just told you. It's 100% free. You're going to get premium performance without spending a cent. It's user-friendly. No copywriting skills needed. Just plug in your info and watch it work. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to email marketing campaigns, the instant email funnel generator helps you create subject lines that cut through the noise and get you results. Ready to boost your open rates? Let's give it a shot here. Now, step one, this is optional, but I highly suggest you fill this in. This is going to give you access to a 7-day email prompt generator. It's going to give you a whole 7-day email sequence. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting a certain product or service, I've been an affiliate marketer for like over 15 years, and one of the pain points I have is when I'm out promoting a product, there's no done for you, emails you can have. I usually like to do them myself, but it's very time consuming, and sometimes you're in a pinch. You want to get those emails out quick, and that's what this is going to do for you, and they're actually really good. So this is, and you could take any affiliate program, and you're going to be able to plug it in, and it's going to create that 7-day email prompt for you. And you're going to get, you can read up in here. I'm going to throw in a special bonus as well. So if you're interested in getting that, just put your name and email here, and I'll send it to you ASAP. Now for the email subject line generator. I'm going to show you how this works real quick, and then I'm going to let you come on over here and check it out for yourself. The link for this will be directly below in the video description box below. So it says, get your custom email headlines now. Just enter your details, hit submit, and instantly see your personalized email headlines generated directly below. It's fast, easy, and effective. Now what I'm going to do, as you can see, I created actually the subject line for this YouTube video I'm doing right now using this tool. It's called the Email Subject Line Generator, free tool that unlocks the secret to instantly 10x your open rates. Very good headline. And that's going to be my YouTube video headline that you're watching right now. And this is how I came up with it. Now, you can use this for any affiliate product or pretty much anything in between that you're trying to promote. What you're going to do is put your desired email goal in here. And I'm going to put, give me 10 headlines, lead all 10 off with the email subject line generator, and then give me the top 3, and then give me the winner. It's actually what this does regardless, as it does all this. I'm just going to put this in just for this demonstration purposes. Target audience is going to be for internet marketers and affiliate marketers, and product service name. I'm just trying to come up with a headline for this video. So it's email subject line generator. So now all we got to do, it's already working. And here's your, that's how quick it is. It's already done before we even went through it. AI. Here's 10 engaging email subject lines for email subject line generator. And you can see it gives 10 of them. Now here's the top 3 subject lines based on click-through potential. Gives you the top 3. And the winning subject line. Email subject line generator unlock the secret to 10x your open rates now. This subject line combines urgency now with the promise of significant improvement. 10x your open rates, making it highly enticing for internet and affiliate marketers looking to enhance their email, performance or click-through rates. If you don't like the winner, you can always choose from the top 3 as well. You got choices here, but I actually like this one the best. That's why I'm using it in my title for my YouTube video. But that's all you do. This is a really useful tool. It's going to save you a lot of time and energy. Yes, if you got a ChatGPT Plus subscription, you can go there. But this is specifically, it's going to take you more time to get over there. And then you got to get a professional prompt. And I've done all this for you. This prompt is in the style of one of the world's best copywriters. And it's geared towards internet marketers and affiliate marketers and pretty much anyone in general to give you the best titles possible. So it's going to save you a lot of time is what I'm getting at. Very useful tool, and it's free. And if you want to check it out, the link is directly below. And this is my main one. I'm going to show you this real quick, and then I'm going to end this video. And this one this is a little different than the other one. This one does emails, basically. So any email you want, enter your affiliate program details, click to generate, and watch your output appear below. You're going to put in your product name and details, affiliate link, your email goal, and it's going to give you a straight up great email. Also in the style of one of the world's best copywriters. So what you do here, say you wanted to promote, I'm just going to come up with a program off the top of my head. I want to promote AWeber's free email trial. Tell readers the benefits of AWeber. Affiliate link. I'm just going to put any affiliate link in here right now. It's actually my other site, jaysonlinereviews.com. And the email goal is to get people to sign up for, I can spell right here, for AWeber's free trial. Now we're going to click submit real quick. See how easy that was? Obviously you can put more details in there and you can add more to your email goal, but this is just a sample here. We're going to click submit and we're going to watch it work its magic. And the link to this is going to be directly below as well, and it's already done. AI, the subject line, unlock the secret to effortless email marketing. I don't like that subject line. Sometimes it comes with a lot better ones, but you can use a subject line generator to create one that's better. Obviously, it's going to get you maximum click-through rates. And I'm going to read a lot of this, and I'm going to show you how good this is. Hey there, let me take you back to a chilly afternoon in 1998. Picture this, a young entrepreneur, eager to make a mark, sat hunched over his computer, staring at a blank screen. He had big dreams, but felt utterly lost. The world of email marketing seemed like a labyrinth with no exit. Sound familiar? Fast forward to today, and I'm here to tell you that you don't have to wander aimlessly in that labyrinth anymore. Enter AWeber, the tool that transformed my email marketing game and can do the same for you. Imagine waking up every morning to find your inbox buzzing with notifications, sales rolling in while you sip your coffee. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it can be your reality with AWeber's free email trial. Here's what makes AWeber a game changer. Number one, simplicity at its best. You don't need to be a tech wizard, and it tells you all the different reasons to sign up for AWeber's free trial. And it says, but wait, there's more. When you sign up for AWeber's free trial, you're not just getting an email marketing tool, you're gaining a partner in your journey to success. So are you ready to step out of that labyrinth and into a world of possibilities? Click here to start your free trial of AWeber today. And this is where your affiliate link would go. It's already put in there. Don't let another day go by where you're missing out on potential customers. Join the ranks of successful marketers who've unlocked the power of AWeber. So that's that. I mean, you see how good that is? It's actually a storytelling prompt. So it's going to keep your email subscribers, it's a story. So it keeps everybody engaged, keeps them reading it, and it keeps them interested where they're going to click your link, where you're going to have a better chance of making a sale of whatever it is that you're promoting. So that's what this prompt does. It makes excellent emails, and this is in the style of one of the world's best copywriters as well. And you can also here unlock the 7-day email funnel on this page here. So, and you can come over and check this out as well. But link to both these free tools are going to be directly below in the video description box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your marketing. Bye-bye.